Petrol units are air-cooled, so they are usually used for open typesets without sound attenuation. They are usually noisy and they have smaller fuel tanks that are gravity-fed. Petrol is highly flammable, which is a consideration when storing around the premises. They are generally used for smaller type applications. Diesel sets are water-cooled. They are thus more conducive for sound attenuation. They are used in larger homes and large businesses. They generally have larger fuel tanks. Diesel is also less flammable, and because you have a larger tank, you most probably won't need to have containers standing around your home.